Alright, this is worksheet 13.5 and we're looking at some factoring problems, 11, 13, and 16. So on number 11, we have a format given here for our final answer, but before we fill that in, let's look at the first step in factoring this. Here we have a common factor of 2, so I'm going to take the 2 out and write what's left. We have 4x squared minus 9y squared left. Then this expression, we need to recognize here, this is a difference of 2 squares. So if we were to factor that, the 2 stays here on the outside. This expression, the square root of 4x squared is 2x. The square root of 9y squared is 3y. And when you factor a difference of squares, you have the same terms. Here they're added, here they're subtracted. And that causes the middle term to cancel out. Negative 6xy and positive 6xy cancel out, which is why that we don't have a middle term here. All right, looking at number 13, again, let's first look to see if we have a common factor. Here we have a common factor of 10. Factoring that out, we're left with 16x squared minus y squared z squared. And then again, similar to number 11, we have an expression here that's a difference of 2 squares. So square root of this first term is 4x. The square root of the second term is yz. So these are added, and on the second term, they are subtracted. On number 16, here we have a trinomial with no common factors. I'm going to use the diamond to factor it. So on the top, I have 4 times 25 is 100, bottom is negative 20. So I can use negative 10 and negative 10. A common mistake here would be to say the factors are x minus 10 squared. But we have this 25 out front here, so let's go ahead and do grouping. 25x squared minus 10x plus 4. Grouping gives us 5x times 5x minus 2, negative 2 times 5x minus 2. So our factors are actually 5x minus 2 times 5x minus 2, or 5x minus 2 quantity squared.